Hello everyone. Hello 18. It's 2026 and I'd like to greet everyone a happy new year. Ayun, January na and April is coming very soon. Alam kong marami sa mga 18 ang nakaabang na sa mga announcements ng SB19, especially na coming up na yung April 18, which will be the finale or the homecoming concert for Simula at Wakas. As of today, so far yung na-announce pa lang is yung venue kung saan gagawin yung finale or homecoming concert. And the venue is in Pasay sa SMDC Festival Grounds. Actually, maraming iba't ibang reactions ay nababasa ko sa social media, especially sa X. May mga gusto dahil sa pwede nga mag-accommodate ng maraming audience. Pero may iba naman na medyo hesitant kasi dahil nga open grounds, yung weather mainit na by April, and also it could be very tolling for others na medyo may edad na kasi nga baka standing lang lahat. Pero ako personally, I'm still hoping na mag-offer sila ng mga seated sections. Kaso ayun nga, bardagulan na naman yun during the ticket selling. Ayun na nga, kahit wala pa yung ticket selling, nakapag-book na po yung inyong lingkod ng Airbnb malapit sa venue. So, bahala na kung anong ticket na makukuha ko. Ang mahalaga, may malapit akong mauuwian that day. Pero sana very soon or in the next coming days mag-announce sila ng ticket selling details para makapag-plan out na tayo. And next is yung teaser about a new song ng SB19 and probably it's gonna be called Visa. It sounds like another banger from SB19, of course. As always, nabulabog na naman ang 18 community dahil sa teaser na ito. Maraming na-curious, maraming theories, and maraming excited, of course. Medyo natawala ako dun sa Billboard PH article about the song kasi parang na-leak nila somehow. Pero yeah, anyway, I hope malaman na natin yung more details about that song soon. And sabi nga sa mga memes, sabi daw ni Ja, bakit pa namin problemahin, i-release na rin naman yan. And this week nga rin, no, nag-release sila ng another content sa YouTube channel nila, which is yung Showbits. Sobrang chaotic talaga ng grupo na paborito natin, no? Ang lala nila, sobra, grabe. The whole time na pinanood ko yung content, tawa lang ako ng tawa. And si Ja talaga, grabe pag mga ganito. Grabe yung kalokohan ni Ja. Si Mr. Pure Boy pa naman siya. Grabe. And may iba silang mga nilapag doon, no, na blur. So I don't know what are those. Kaya medyo nakaka-curious din. And as at Dilulu Kendall Moshiper, ayun, na-happy na naman ako dahil parehas yung dinala nilang item. And another big thing nakaka-announce lang is yung album. Yeah, album. The Simula at Wakas Kick-Off Concert album. Grabe. So it's gonna be a full album this time, hindi EP. I'm super excited kasi may mga old songs sila doon na nire-arranged. Merong mga nagpalitan sila ng lines. And yun nga, pumatok doon yung bagong arrangement ng I Want You at yung sabi nga nila ovulation version ng Moonlight. So I am super excited na this coming end of month kasi i-release na nila finally yung album na yun. And of course, marami pang nagre-request after ng concert album. Sana mag-release din sila ng concert film. And yeah, I'm one of those na gustong-gusto yung concert film. And I'm so happy na I was part of those 2 days na kick-off concert sa Philippine Arena.
And of course, early this year sa Wish Awards 2025, nanalo lang naman lahat ng entries na meron ng SB19. Iyon yung Time, Dam and Doom Ka sa Simula at Wakas EP, and yung umaaligid na collaboration with Miss Sarah G. And of course, them as a group bilang Reader's Choice Award. And just last week, no, na-earn na ng SB19 ang kanilang first 1 billion streams sa Spotify. Yay! This is another big milestone for them. And hopefully, very very soon, ma-earn na nila agad yung kanilang second billion streams. So, let's keep streaming, mating.
Ayun muna sa ngayon, and abang-abang pa tayo ng mga upcoming announcements, especially yung ticket selling details and kung ano-ano yung mga available seats. And I hope marami pang iba from February to March, kung ano pa yung mga activities nila before the concert itself. So, yeah, see you soon again, 18. Bye-bye for now.